What'd you get?
Cookies.
Ooh, nice. What else?
A big Easter bunny.
Ah, cool.
Some candy.
Candies. There's more?
Markers.
Nice.
More candies.
Nice. Oh, that looks fun. Is there more?
And someone here to twirl. And this should be
Stamps?
chocolate.
Those are stamps.
Stamp. More candy. Great. Gum.
Bubble gum.
What's this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Is there more?
Oh,
More candy.
chocolate candy.
Wow, there's a lot in that box.
More
More candy. Wow.
Oh, some chocolate.
Oh, that's Daddy's favorite.
Yeah, I have that too.
We'll give that one to Daddy.
But I want it.
And a nice basket?
Yeah.
Do we have a new basket? Awesome.